Let's take a look at some of the ways you can zoom in and out of images in Photoshop. Let's start with the Zoom tool located towards the bottom of the Tools panel. This icon appears as a magnifying glass. When you click the Zoom tool, you'll see the options bar at the top change and display the options for this tool. We have a plus icon for zooming in and a minus icon for zooming out. With the plus icon selected, click on the image to zoom in. Each click of your mouse will zoom you further into the image. To zoom out, select the minus icon. Now, rather than spending time selecting and deselecting these icons, you can toggle between them using the Alt key. Watch the symbol change on the cursor from minus to plus as I press the Alt key. This change is also reflected in the icon selection in the options bar. Here I am zooming in with just the cursor and the mouse. And now holding down the Alt key. To quickly get back to a view of the entire image, click the Fit Screen icon in the options bar. Or you can use the shortcut on your keyboard, Ctrl-0. Another way to zoom in and out of an image is to simply use the scroll wheel on your mouse while holding down the Alt key. Scrolling forward, scrolling backward. To zoom to a precise area, you can use the Zoom marquee. With the Zoom tool enabled, click on your image and drag a rectangle over the area you want to zoom to, and release.